Stadium. Stadium East. Usain Bolt. Calabar. Kingston College. One to come up at JC. One at GC Foster. Make 7. And the one up at Sligoville. Make 8. That is 7. Soon to be 8 synthetic running tracks located within a 20-mile radius between the corporate area and St. Catherine. Then you have to jump or drive or fly 100 miles down to Montego Bay at the sports complex to see the next running track. The entire northern and central and southern region have to go and do them thing on grass. Something is radically wrong with that. For sure, 2 high schools, soon to be 3, and the university are mostly responsible for their own tracks. But for the Stadium East, the Stadium, Montego Bay, and the GC Foster College, these are government-funded facilities. And it is myopia bordering on wickedness not to have this basic facility that is so crucial to athlete development in the central region of Jamaica. The region of the country that has produced so many national high school athletics champions, from Veer Technical to Manchester High to Homewood Technical and now to Edwin Allen. A region that gave us so many Olympic and world champions. This cannot continue. The government must lead and the private sector follow and get the running track in central Jamaica, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Anne, St. Elizabeth. Pick your choice, any one of them nice. But this myopic bias cannot continue. Right now, that's what the thing said. The thing lean, no, it needs to, I wish I did it. Lean, that's what the thing, that's what the thing bias, man. Bias, good night, I will see you tomorrow. The thing bias.